Ahoy, Vikings! All you landlubbers need to shimmy to one side of the promenade or the other. The scuttlebutt is that in just a few moments, sailors, scalawags, swashbucklers, and other salty dogs are going to be a-sailing down the Royal Promenade. So get your sea legs ready and belay your carousing. Shiver me timbers! Let the wind catch your sails! Anchors aweigh!
Hoist the sails up! Aye, sir! Hoist the sails forward! Aye, sir! Hoist the sails starboard, hoist the sails port, move it men! Let's get rocking! Aye, sir! With all the old promenade, wisdom and all the rest! Ship for more! Up! Hear the beat of those drums! Hide to women or head to the upper decks! Those are Vikings, conquerors of the deep blue sea. Just kidding. A master's word is never done. Hey, yo, Neptuna, give me instructions I have to run. There, you master shields. Very intimidating. to Aweigh, you'll get it. And there's a magical Viking queen with a magical staff. Guardian of the Star. And the Viking king with his mighty long sword. Hey up, wing wing, over. Go then, danger's over, never fear, the eyes get along.
We are the Vikings, onward, anchors away.
Ah, the sounds of the Arabian Nights. Ahoy, Sinbad and his scimitar swinging sailors. Translate up to his life's class. Sinbad is adventure personified. Except you, come on, that shit. You anyway.
We are rebels, we sail the seven seas. Fame fortune we shall find on this odyssey. Ooh, I'm a rebel, just for kids now.
This reminds me of the time Aladdin was banned from the magic carpet race. Yeah, he was caught using performance-enhancing rugs.
I'm a rebel, just for kids now.
Thundering out. Give it a shake. Oh, what a still number, don't we? Oh. Here, I must say, I do like the song Sinbad's gin.
Ooh, Sinbad!
Oh, ladies, I've got 2 followers on Instagram, you know. Oh, don't be jelly, oh, what do we have here?
It looks like we're happening.
Yes, Neptuna, yes. These guys are #1. Hello, aviator. Let's reach for the stars. I feel the need for speed. Steady, come on. Boys like synchronized swimming. Oh, he's a specimen, isn't he? You know what? After that, I will any day. Let's prove it on high, boys. Girls. Come on, what's going on here? Oh, that was impressive. Right up here. Pirates? Ah, reprobate. That is a very long sword. Quick, everybody! Hide your booty! You know, if I wasn't hosting this parade, I would go down there and give you such a pinch. Oh, there's so many chairs. Quick, anybody know what Pirate's favourite letter of the alphabet? Ah! Stop thinking it now. Oh yeah, it's Steve. Oh, the smell you want from here. Disgusting. shooting blanks now. I tell you, this is the real deal. Oh, and I'm in a party. Well, we'll go with a flash copy. Ahoy! Trouble up! Quick! Delay the dancing! On the cannons! Forward the dreadnought! Right, get out of your way. This is very, very serious business. Next week, 17 is everybody's white option. Station to Halloween. Don't put your hands in the face without the insurance for it.
This is your captain. I can see you from the bridge. What is going on down there on the Royal Promenade? I command you to stop all this fighting at once.
No fighting!
You're on a cruise ship, the biggest in the world, I might add. You should all be celebrating.
Aye, Captain!
All right, you Buccaneers, you heard the captain. Let's toast!
Here's the toast, here's the starship, here's the ship's at sea. For the best ships, for the best ships. Here's the you and me.
Loads up!
Cheers!
Let the party begin! All right, chaps, here we go now. Now to your neighbour, wave to your friend. Keep on your heels on the dance, really interesting, right? You can take action. That's it there. And I'm heading right to the corner again. Royal Promenade, circulating. Yeehaw! Now I go round the square, now look at your partner and lick your head. Lick your partner and lick your side. Give a hug to your whole now, guys. Gorgeous work, everyone. All you landlubbers. Sea legs. Gilly, gilly. Sinbad and his crew. And two leaders dressed as well, Wally for some reason. I don't know why that is.